In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update sitemap in Yoast SEO. To do that, first head over to their site, which is yoast.com, and you should be able to see right here these options. So you can explore premium options right here, or premium plans, or you can also download the free version that you can instead install the WordPress. It will give you right here the zip file that you can upload. Now you can also log in if you already have an existing account right there. Next, you can also head over to WordPress.com, which is their site, and click on the This Get Started option in order to create a site with this, and we will integrate Yoast SEO with this particular site. Let me head over and show you right here my site. Here's the site that I currently have. Once you're in there, just head over to the plugins and then install Yoast SEO right here. Or you can also just search right here for Yoast. We have in here premium option and having here the free option. So head over and click on them and then install it. Now to customize or to update your sitemap, you can head over right here to this article. To customize it, head over to your dashboard. Then click on the Yoast SEO plugin that you have just installed. Go to the settings of your Yoast SEO and then go to the content type and then set the toggle for the show type in search results. Make sure this one is turned on right here and onto your categories. Make sure this one is turned on. Save the changes right there. You should be able to actually change which pages will appear when crawl it on your sitemap. So for this case, you can choose right here the content types and you can also remove individual URLs from the sitemap. You can change the media and images as well as the taxonomies, archives, and other sitemaps like video, news, local, and non-use SEO sitemap plugins can change right here this. We have the content types, taxonomies, and the likes. So you can head over and edit it according to your liking. So that's all there is today. And I hope this video successfully helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.